So tell us something about yourself.
Well, my name is Riya Ganguly. I come from the city of Jai, Kolkata. I have done my graduation and post-graduation from Calcutta University in Accounts and Finance. And talking about my father and mother, my father was in army and now working in Ericsson India Limited after retirement. And my mom is a housemaker. I have a younger brother who is studying geography honors from Calcutta University.
Okay. So do you believe that you have some strengths?
Yes, I have 3 important strengths.
Okay.
That's
So share an experience of your strength where you have demonstrated some of your strengths.
Okay. First is my adaptability. Since I come from army background, I had to travel to different states and I used to study in army public school, where people from different states and communities used to study. So I got to interact with them, I got to learn. So there was a difficulty in adjusting there. So since childhood I was in army school, so I adopted this adaptability in me, and now I'm in India. I'm with different people from different cultures.
Okay.
And the next is that I'm very helpful and I can encourage people a lot. One of the biggest example is that when I was in class 12, I had a friend who used to flunk in maths, used to fail in maths. So and it was the boards were around the corner. So she asked me to help her. Then I helped her, and she not got good marks, but she passed.
Okay.
And
That
friends
is
here in
very
India,
nice.
I am also know that I am very helpful.
So what are the weaknesses that you have, and how are you planning to improve on the same?
And weaknesses is that if I have pending tasks, it constantly hovers in my mind. And if I don't have any task to complete, then I constantly think what to do next, what to do in future, what steps should I take to accomplish my goal. So these things keeps on roams in.
Okay. So your specialization is finance, right? So why have you chosen this specialization?
Since I have done my graduation as well as post-graduation in accounts and finance, that's why I took this.
Specialization, that is major 2 is marketing. So why have you chosen marketing?
Marketing, because I love to travel and I love to interact with people a lot. And marketing is, in today's world, marketing is very important. Be you are in finance or HR, you need to market each and everything. So that's why I've taken marketing as a major 2.
So now the next question is, why have you chosen NDI out of all the colleges?
Frankly speaking, India offers good placement opportunities to students. So that's why I've chosen India. And moreover, one of my friends used to study here, so I consulted him before joining India.
Okay, that's very nice. Okay, so give me one example of your life where you have set a particular goal and you have achieved it.
Well, when I was in class 6, I used to fail in maths.
Okay.
Then I used to cry a lot after giving maths exam because I knew I will fail again. Then my mom told me that you should work hard towards it. Then I determined my mind that I have to get good marks, not just pass. I have to get good marks. So I used to work work very hard towards it. And then in final exam, I got 78. I still remember.
Okay.
So I set a goal to achieve
And
good
you
marks,
achieved
and
it
I achieved
also.
it.
Okay. Now tell me, who inspires you and why?
Well, my mom inspires me a lot because of the sacrifices she has made for my career. Seeing that inspires me, because if she can sacrifice so much for my career, why can't I work hard towards it? And moreover, when I get good marks and perform well in my academics, I see a lot of happiness on her face. So that happiness which I want to see on her face inspires me a lot.
So you have done life projects, right?
Yeah.
So tell me, what have you learned from them?
Okay, till date I have done 2 live projects. One is in CSR and one in HR. Through CSR, I learned how big organizations like Reliance Communication contributes towards the CSR, and how to make suggestions and consult with the high authorities to make some changes. And secondly, I have done live project in HR. Through that live project, I have learned how to use job portals and how to sort out CVs according to the criteria.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, so what has NDM given you, like till date?
Well, India has given me a lot of things, friends and all. But the most important thing which India has given to me is it has helped me to recognize the hidden talent in me. Earlier, I didn't knew that I can give good presentations. But coming to India, I'm giving presentations on the podium and all help me
It
to
has built your self-confidence.
Yeah, right.
That's nice. So tell me, what values would you bring to my organization?
Values, okay. As I've already informed you that I can motivate people a lot, and in your organizations, or any other organizations, I have to work in group. So I can motivate my group members towards the achievement of organizational goals as well as the group goals. So that will be one of the greatest strengths which I will add to your organization.
Candidates also sitting outside there, right? You also must be aware of that. So why should we hire you for SIP?
Might be there are other students, but I think I'm better than the others who are sitting outside, and I can prove my talent once you hire me.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.